welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact support in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device and log in using your credential. After that, go to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down until you see FAQs. Before reaching out to support, you may want to browse the frequently asked question for common issues and solutions. If you still need assistance, look for the Contact Us button. Click on it and select how you want to contact, by email or telegram. Tap on the option to initiate contact with the support team. Fill out any required information in the support form, including your issues, account detail, and any relevant screenshots if necessary. After providing all necessary information, tap on Send to send a support request. Keep an eye on your email or application notification for a response from support team. Response time may vary, so be patient. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time, you can follow up through the same support channel. You have now successfully contacted support in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.